Welcome. If you're tired of constant pings and alerts from a particular chat on Messenger, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you the simple steps to mute notifications for a specific chat for 24 hours, perfect for when you need a break, but don't want to miss out on messages entirely. Let's get started. First, open the Messenger app on your device. Once you're in, scroll through your conversations and tap on the chat you want to mute. This could be a one-on-one conversation or a busy group chat, whatever you need a little peace and quiet from. Now that you're inside the chat, look up at the top of the screen and tap on the person's name or the group name. This will open the chat settings, where you'll find a range of options to customize your experience. Next, find and tap on Notifications and Sounds. Here, you'll see a switch or toggle at the very top of the screen. Go ahead and turn this switch off. This action will bring up a menu asking you how long you want to mute notifications for this chat. You'll see several options, like 15 minutes, 1 hour, 8 hours, or 24 hours. For a full day of uninterrupted focus, select for 24 hours. Once you've made your choice, Messenger will confirm that notifications for this chat are now muted for the next 24 hours. That's it. You won't receive any notifications, no sounds, no vibrations, no banners from this chat until the mute period ends. If you ever want to unmute the chat before the 24 hours are up, just follow these same steps and toggle notifications back on. Muting notifications for a chat is a great way to take control of your Messenger experience, especially when you need to concentrate or just want a little digital downtime. Try it out the next time you need some peace and quiet. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy tech tips. See you next time.